Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a Q&A video. That's our first. I mean, मुझे ना YouTube पे बहुत ऐसे questions आते थे. We like your styling sense, we love your beauty and skincare videos, but we would really like to know a little bit more about you. Like, casual stuff. I was like, I thought it's about time. Like, I stopped shying away from this and finally made this video. So here I am with my first ever Q&A video. I asked you all on my YouTube and on my Instagram and made a list of like the most asked questions. So yeah, I'm gonna do my makeup also, by the way, while I do the Q&A, so it's not that boring. Like otherwise also I don't think it should be boring. Anyway, let's go. So good. Anyway, let's start with the first and the most basic question that was asked so many times: age, height, education. So I'm 27 years old. My height is somewhere between 5'3", 5'4", and for my education, I've done bachelor's in mass media, and in my 12th standard, I've taken arts. So the next question is, I think this is also amongst like the most asked questions because some of you all started following me after watching my wedding videos. So the question is, your love story and how did you meet? So basically, we met each other when we were 3 or 4 years old because we were neighbors. And then we started dating, I think, when I was in my ninth and he was in his 10th standard. We dated for approximate, I think, 2 years and then we broke up for no particular reason. I still don't know. I think because we were going our different ways, different colleges. We obviously had the same group and we were still friends. So we kept talking through all the other years as well. Then I think in between we again thought of dating, but then we were like, why to risk the limited friendship that we have left? But I think the third time that we properly started dating, I think we both knew this is it. So this time when we started dating, things were so different. We both were so matured. We knew what is the kind of relationship we wanted, what is the kind of things that we expect from our partner. And हम खुद भी क्या offer कर सकते हैं अपने partner को, हमें सब चीज़ें बहुत clear थी. So that was like a big change. And as for him, I think he knew from the start, even in school, like he knew I am the girl he wants to get married to. And yeah, I think he's never been like distracted from the start, and I think in general also he's the kind of person, he knows what he wants in general in life. So yeah. And as for convincing our parents, itni zyada convincing ki zarurat nahi padi because the families have known each other for so many years, so jaldi se convince ho gaye. I don't know if this was like a good enough explanation of our story, but I want to keep it short and simple. Using this blush, by the way. Now moving on to the next question: how did you start your social media journey? Weren't you scared that people will make fun of your mistakes? I think when I started my social media journey, I was what, I don't know how old was I, but it was in 2016. And I don't know if it happens with you, but when I was younger, मुझे इतना डर नहीं लगता था. अभी I think I am more scared of a lot of things. That time I wasn't. I'm like, हाँ बोलेंगे तो बोलेंगे, ठीक है, क्या ही होगा इससे ज़्यादा. So I was the kind of person, I think as I'm growing up मुझे ज़्यादा डर लगता है. बचपन में कम डर लगता था चीज़ों का. So I wasn't scared. And as for making fun of my mistakes, to be very honest, people still do. And I feel bad. I cry over it. And then I block the person and I forgive the person and I let go. That is like my funda to, be the strong person on social media. Because obviously कोई बुरा बोलता है तो बुरा तो लगता ही है. And I am ultra sensitive. So I like literally cry. If I read like a really mean comment, there are times that I cry over it. But ठीक है, block कर देती हूँ, forgive कर देती हूँ and forget कर देती हूँ. This blush is so like creamy and nice. Don't worry, I'm gonna link everything in the description box below as well. Let's do some eyeshadow. This is the eyeshadow that I went for. What is your diet and workout routine? To be very very honest, I don't have a diet at all. Like मेरा diet फंडा यही है कि breakfast और lunch I try to keep it super healthy. बहुत कुछ भी distraction हो जाए, breakfast और lunch तो healthy ही होता है. Dinner I get distracted sometimes and I don't eat that healthy. उसमें भी I try कि अगर मुझे कुछ unhealthy खाना भी है, I try to eat like a home cooked meal. Like for example, मुझे पिज़्ज़ा की craving हो रही है तो मैं घर पे पिज़्ज़ा बना के खाऊँ rather than बाहर का वो cheese burst and all order करूँ. And personally, I think even when I'm ordering outside, my choices have become slightly healthier, and that also has helped me a lot. As for my workout routine, I either join something, जैसे अभी मैंने aerobics join किया है. Sometimes I just go for a dance workshop. कुछ ना कुछ side by side करती रहती हूँ. and if not that, I just start going for walks. या फिर I start doing the Chloe Ting challenge. She does like these amazing challenges on YouTube. I will link them if you want. And I've been doing it for years. ऐसा नहीं अभी कर रही हूँ, 1 2 3 साल हो गए, I don't know. And that has worked so well for me. So I will link her, and yeah, check her out and get like a transformation if you want. Next question was tips for the bride to bees. I think my number one tip for all the bride to bees would be make a planner and stick to the budget. बहुत टाइम ऐसा होता है शादी में we go off budget, we buy things that we don't need. But if you have a planner and you've planned and organized everything, I think you will stick to the budget, and that is like my only tip. And I have a whole video on tips for like bride to be, so I will link that also in case you want to check it out. So वो देख लेना. But number one tip तो यही होगा, प्लानर बनाओ, हर चीज़ लिखो नीचे उसके अंदर, तो सब चीज़ आपके ना sorted रहेगी, and that way you will have like a clear mind. Next question is, how did I learn graphic designing, and does graphic designing job pay well? Graphic designing jobs pay well, and it really depends on your portfolio and how hardworking you are. वहाँ पे, and I think in terms of any क्या बोलते हैं, क्रिएटिव जॉब, आपका पढ़ाई या आपके मार्क्स इतने मैटर नहीं करते, आपका पोर्टफोलियो कैसा है, आपका काम कैसा है, आपकी प्रेजेंटेशन कैसी है, मतलब वो सब आई थिंक ज़्यादा मैटर करता है. So make sure your portfolio is bomb, make sure your ideas are creative. So yeah, think outside the box. And I learned my graphic designing. I also did a course when I was in my school, but majorly I think I learned graphic designing through YouTube and through my internships during my college days, या किसी के contact के through internship ले ली, या कहीं पे directly online email पे apply कर करके internship ले ली. So they also teach you a lot. Also for my graphic designing, I can say I've done my job for like 3-4 years, and उसके बाद with my own experience, I'm saying it does pay well. Even if you're like a basic designer, if you give it time and consistency, it is going to pay you well. The next question was tips for new content creators. So be consistent, number one. I'm sure you must have heard that a lot. Also be observant. I think ये ज़्यादा लोग नहीं बताते हैं. Because consistency भी अच्छी बात है, you're doing something new, वो भी अच्छी बात है, but you have to be observant also. For example, see the kind of content that you like watching and try करो, देखो कि उसके और आपके content में क्या different है. मतलब हो सकता है उसकी quality ज़्यादा अच्छी हो सकता है वो डे लाइट में ज़्यादा शूट करती है, या हो सकता है वो आई डोंट नो ट्रांजिशन ज़्यादा स्मूथ हो. सो जस्ट बी ऑब्जर्वेंट ऑन व्हाट इज़ द काइंड ऑफ कंटेंट यू लाइक, एंड आप खुद कैसा कंटेंट बनाना चाहते हो, तो ट्राई वर्किंग टुवर्ड्स इट. But yeah, also be consistent at the same time. Also another thing, don't lose hope, because content creation ऐसी चीज़ है वो आपको सबको रातों रात फेम नहीं देती है. Some of us, including me as well, हमें बहुत सालों तक मेहनत करनी पड़ती है, या maybe months or weeks, and then we start getting results. So make sure you do that as well. Lipstick time. I love this shade so much. It's like a matte formulation, but a comfortable matte, though I've been wearing this a lot. Let me do my hair and I'll quickly get back. I just combed my hair. I don't know if I should do a gloss today. Let's do it. Okay, so let's just take one last question and that should be it. Okay, how is life after marriage? How do you manage shoot and everything? Life after marriage is good. It's amazing. It is like one of the best time of my life. But there are a lot of new adventures and lot of new learnings. Like, you know, शादी तक आपको लगता है कि यार I know so much about my partner, मतलब मुझे सब पता है, but ऐसा नहीं होता. I think शादी के बाद आप इतनी सारी चीज़ें जानते हो अपने पार्टनर के बारे में जो आपको लगता है कि यार पहले तो कभी notice ही नहीं की. So that is going to happen. And as for my shoot, I had discussed everything in advance, even with him, even with his family, which is very important. So everything was discussed and planned पहले से, तो उस चीज़ पे इतनी कोई स्ट्रगल नहीं हुई. बट हाँ, जस्ट यू नो मीटिंग न्यू पीपल नाउ, मीटिंग सो मेनी डिफरेंट रिलेटिव्स एंड एवरीथिंग, थोड़ा ओवरवेलमिंग हो गया था. बट नाउ आई थिंक वो हनीमून फेज खत्म हो गया, तो वी आर बैक एट आवर वर्क लाइफ. ही इज़ डूइंग हिज वर्क, आई एम डूइंग माई वर्क, एंड दोनों खुद के लिए भी टाइम निकाल लेते हैं. सो टच वुड, इट्स बीन सुपर अमेजिंग. कभी कभी ऐसे लगता है ना थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही बोलती जाती हूँ, बट एनीवे, I hope you guys enjoyed my awkward slash hopefully fun Q&A video, and let me know in the comment section below in case you want me to make more such videos. I would absolutely love to do it because it's something out of my comfort zone, but also something जिसमें मुझे बहुत मजा आ रहा है. So let me know, and with that I'll see you in a new video soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.